what's up YouTube? Out here walking the park, it says. This is Riverview Park. Out here by the Audubon Zoo area. Riverview, it's called a butterfly, or the fly for short. Beautiful day out here. Bunch of college kids playing ball and stuff. Frisbee, try not to lose your frisbee in the river. The river's pretty high right now. But yeah, I want to take a walk and look at these steps. See how these steps look over here. Man, I came out here a couple of weeks ago. Just a couple of weeks ago, and there's like 6 or 8 steps. Look what somebody built over here. That's great. Only a couple steps left, guys. Oh, there's no steps left. Look at that. I was walking down these steps a couple of weeks ago. Look. Somebody built a little bench right here. You sit on the bench today, you'll have your feet in the water. That's great. People are trying to stop the erosion. They put some dirt here. There was big holes a couple of weeks ago out here. It's like a nice little swimming pond they got here. Boy, it's moving. Really moving. Looks like a freaking swimming pool. It's all the way up to the top step. There's a good 6 or 8 steps of these rocks right underneath that right now. They're held in by looks like fence, for better lack of words. Oh yeah, this guy's out here fixing it now. Trying to fill these patches a great time. Watch, just wait till the water's all the way up, yeah. Let's go by. That's beautiful. And dangerous as it is, it looks beautiful. Old man muddy. How fast it's moving. That's crazy, it's moving so fast. It's trying to get out of here. Flowing down to the mouth of the river. I think it's about 80 or 90 miles, 100 miles maybe. Pretty windy out here. Look at that bird. That thing is moving. That's where the cruise ship used to go from downtown and bring people up here. And dock right here to the zoo. The zoo is right over the levee here, right on the other side of the levee. Of course, that's usually goes down a lot. I think that's floating. I think that's a floating. That's as high as it goes, but it's on a thing that goes up and down with the water level. Yeah, if you didn't know it, they have about, I think, 83 bays open with the spillway, diverting plenty of water towards the Lake Pontchartrain, and it'll bypass all of this. Instead of going down through this way and through the city of New Orleans, it'll go through the Lake Pontchartrain and out through Slidell, which is a Wrigley's. They have a little pass that lets out into the Gulf of Mexico. It's like shortcut. They'll divert all that fresh water. They'll divert all that fresh water from the river into the Lake Pontchartrain, which is an estuary of the Mississippi River. And it's mostly salt water, but it's called brackish water, which is like a mixture of fresh and salt water. That's the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers. That's their baby. The spillway is their baby. They built it in the 30s, and they maintain it today. But they're checking out the river. They monitoring that gauge, the Carrollton gauge, which is right up here, the Carrollton Avenue gauge, which is pretty much the gauge in New Orleans. It won't go any higher than, the river won't go any higher than 17 feet. So this is about as high as you'll see the river, because they'll open up many bays as they need to open, up until all 350 bays are open, which they won't have to open this year. I think they were saying they were anticipating opening maybe half of the bays. It's about 7,000 feet wide, the spillway. There's 350 bays, and they're talking about opening maybe half of them. But that's yet to be seen. I think the river is cresting today or tomorrow in Baton Rouge, and it's going to remain this level for at least 7 to 10 days. It'll stay this level here because spillway. Alright guys, remember, click thumbs up for me, help me out. Ask a comment, leave a comment if you have any questions, see if I can answer it. Lifelong resident here. It's filling up these holes where eroded into the. It was like that. It was bad a few weeks ago. So I guess now it's real important to keep these holes filled, so where none of this area falls into the river, erodes into the river. Alright, y'all have a good day. Peace out. Thank you. Thanks for watching.